Are you certain your home security has it all covered? Every 26 seconds, a home in the United States gets burglarized. That's more frequently than most of us check our smartphones. It's an alarming statistic, and it's a reminder of the importance of home security. I'm Kathy Sizemore, your security pro with over 25 years of experience. As someone who's personally experienced the aftermath of an invasive home burglary, I've transformed my experience into expertise, making it my mission to empower people like you so you never become a victim of crime. In this video, we're going to explore the 5 essential elements every comprehensive home security system should have. For the first element, we have intrusion detection, the initial layer of protection for your home security system designed to alert you at the first sign of any trouble. Intrusion detection consists of door and window sensors that act as your home's perimeter detection system. They sound the alarm when someone tries to force their way in, alerting you to an issue before an intruder even sets foot in your home. This early detection gives you crucial extra minutes to react and contact the authorities. Glass break sensors are also a crucial part of this initial layer of defense. They react to the sound of shattered windows and provide you with an added level of protection. Remember, an effective security system is all about stopping the bad guys in their tracks before they even get past the welcome mat. Still, within this intrusion detection element, we have motion sensors. These devices play a crucial role by detecting any movement within their designated areas. But what's even more important is you want to have multiple motion detectors strategically placed throughout your home. This, shall we say, web of sensors ensures comprehensive coverage, and it strengthens the security of your home. Now that we've fortified the perimeter, let's take a look at the next layer of protection and our second element, the awareness element. This is all about keeping a keen eye on and creating an awareness of what's happening both inside and around your home. First up, we have environmental sensors, which include temperature sensors, humidity sensors, and water leak detectors. Think of these devices as your home's early warning system. They're diligently working in the background, monitoring the temperature and humidity levels of your home, as well as looking for any signs of water leaks. These sensors serve as a proactive safeguard against minor issues escalating into major disasters. Now let's talk about security cameras. Whether indoor, outdoor, or even your video doorbells, these are like your own personal security guards who are always on duty. They not only help you monitor for unwanted visitors, but they also let you keep an eye on the comings and goings around your property. And let's not forget the indoor motion viewers. These devices combine the best of both worlds, motion detection and video recording. They only start recording when they sense motion, saving you hours of trawling through non-event footage. That way you're not missing anything important, but you're also not wasting time on footage of your cat taking its 5th nap of the day. The third element on our list of must-haves is the life safety element. Think of this as one of your home's very own guardian angels. Let's start with fire detection. Fire detection is an absolute necessity in every single home. Smoke detectors save lives, alerting you at the first signs of a fire. And here's a pro tip. Go for smoke detectors with voice alerts. Studies show that kids wake up faster to the sound of a human voice than a traditional alarm. Just as serious, carbon monoxide. This silent intruder is colorless, odorless, and incredibly dangerous. In fact, it's often referred to as the invisible killer. A carbon monoxide detector is essential for every home. It can literally save your life, alerting you to the presence of this gas before it becomes a deadly problem. And finally, emergency or panic buttons. We hope we never have to use them, but in a crisis, they can be a literal lifesaver. Whether you need the police or fire department, just one button press and help is on the way. So there you have it, folks. The life safety element, keeping you and your loved ones safe and sound around the clock. Number 4 on our list is what I call the convenience cornerstone, remote access. Now, what is remote access? Imagine being able to tap into your home security system no matter where you are, be it on a business trip in New York or relaxing on a beach in Hawaii. Remote access means having complete control of your security system right from the palm of your hand. With a simple app on your smartphone, you can easily arm or disarm your system, fine-tune settings, receive real-time alerts, and even watch live footage from your security cameras. Get your multi-passes ready because here we are at the 5th element, the peace of mind provider, professional monitoring. Now, I can hear some of you asking, why, Kathy, do I need professional monitoring? I've got a security system. Isn't that enough? Well, let me illustrate with this little example. Having a security system without professional monitoring, well, it's like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. It's possible, but it's a bit tricky, don't you think? Professional monitoring is like having a dedicated team watching over your home 24/7, always ready to spring into action at the first sign of trouble. They get notified of alarms when your system is triggered, allowing them to quickly call for police, fire, or medical help if needed. Imagine having a break-in. With professional monitoring, you're not alone. You can focus on getting yourself and your loved ones to safety, knowing that someone is already calling the authorities for you. It's like having a personal security guard who never takes a coffee break. One of the most common misconceptions about home security is that it's solely about stopping burglars. While that is a crucial element, it's only part of the story. Today's home security systems are designed to offer comprehensive protection. For example, we've discussed intrusion detection, which is your first line of defense. But it's not just about burglaries. These sensors can also alert you to potential threats like home invasions or even kids sneaking out at night. Now let's talk about awareness elements. These sensors not only keep an eye on your home, but also on your loved ones. With smart technology, you can receive alerts when your kids arrive home safely from school or if there's any unusual activity when you're away. And when it comes to life safety, it's not just about fires and carbon monoxide. Some modern systems can even alert you to potential medical emergencies. Imagine getting instant help if a family member has a fall or needs urgent medical attention. I'm sharing this with you because it's essential to understand that home security is about safeguarding every aspect of your life, not just your property. This is a vast topic, and there's so much more to explore. We'll be diving deep into each of these aspects in upcoming videos to ensure that your home security is truly comprehensive. With these 5 elements working together, you can fortify your home against security threats and create a safe haven for you and your loved ones. Engage with us in the comments. Share your thoughts below on home security, any questions you might have, or your own experiences. Your input is valuable and it helps to create a stronger, safer community for all of us. Until next time, stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let your guard down when it comes to your home and family security.